Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Volkswagen Golf Comfort line, stock reference number 4374. This shape runs from the 7th month 2004 through to the 2nd month 2009. It has a BVY 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a JUH automatic front-wheel drive transmission. BVY 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch alloys. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has one small dent and a few light wobbles. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has one small dent. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a light grey leather interior. Light grey centre console lid in leather. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Heater controls. Left hand sun visor, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.